My name is Claudia Valenzuela. I am a managing attorney at Immigrant Legal Defense. The reason I am drawn to the immigration arena is that I have always, I think, championed somehow the underdog. And I am the daughter of immigrants, and I understand that experience. I had worked with the Guatemalan community. My parents are from Guatemala. Basically, my history as an attorney are working with detained individuals facing deportation. And then I do have a background in litigation. I've had many Central American parents tell me I would love my children to grow up and be lawyers in this country and be like you. You know, we need more lawyers like you in our community. I don't know that law school can really prepare you for the emotional weight of working with individuals who are in very vulnerable circumstances, because navigating the immigration system which is a very convoluted, complicated system. It's incredible that there is an expectation that individuals can represent themselves in the system. I think in the detained context, I've not seen a change regardless. You know, I started off under Bush 2, then Obama, Trump, and Biden. And honestly, for detained immigrants, especially those with criminal convictions, it doesn't change. It's equally, a racist, punitive system. I will call it outrage, not anger. We can't let this become normal. We have to continue to be outraged by the things we see that are wrong, simply wrong. And I think that I try to tap into that in every case we approach. Catholic, that was, growing up in Chicago, Sunday school, and, it was all about the miracles that Jesus performed and Jesus's life. And I think that example probably resonated with me quite a bit because, those teachings were all about, Jesus walking with the most vulnerable, the most downtrodden of society. And I think I really enjoyed those stories because I thought it was something to be admired and something to be emulated. As an immigration practitioner, it's so important to be part of spaces and circles where information is being shared. Not just information, what's the latest policy that was handed down, but also discussion around what does that policy mean, analysis around it, and more logical and legal minded than I thought I was going in. I went to law school based very much on emotion, but I've definitely I continue to perfect legal skills, and I find that I enjoy that piece of lawyering, and maybe it is a way to balance the emotional that is inherent in the practice of immigration law. And working in the immigration arena, you are in a place, in a space that is extremely diverse, an extremely vulnerable community where you have to tap into compassion and you have to firmly believe in the dignity and the humanity of everyone that you work with.